Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you steps on how you can delete your Groupme account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. And also, before getting started, make sure that you've already updated your application to the latest version. Open up your Groupme application and then you'll be taken to the chat page. Once you're on this page, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the profile icon, and then you'll be taken to the menu page, so click on edit profile in the top right. Once you click on edit profile, you'll be taken to your profile page, and on this interface what you need to do is you need to click on this pencil icon or the blue circle icon right in the corner. As soon as you click on this icon, you'll be enabled to edit or make some changes with your account info. And now, in order to delete your account, as you can see, there is an option as delete Groupme account. Click on this option if you're deleting your Groupme account. So keeping in mind that all of the information, necessary data, histories, all of your information including your contact information will be deleted and it cannot be restored. So if you're sure about deleting your account, click on continue, and in order to continue you need to confirm your password. So enter in your password. As you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted permanently, and now you'll not be able to restore it. In this way you can delete your Groupme account permanently. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.